This is the Caroma E22 Pro. It's an electric scooter that can deliver up to 630 watts of power thanks to its 350 watt rear wheel motor. Alright, so real quick I want to thank Caroma for sending this out to me to check out and review. This is actually my first electric scooter. I normally ride an electric skateboard, so this should be fun. Anyways, let's check out the E22 Pro. So this scooter has a 285 watt-hour capacity battery that can give you up to 20 miles of range on a single charge. This makes it great for commuting around the city. It takes about 5.5 hours to fully charge, by the way. To get moving, you press the power button on the right side to turn it on. This is also the throttle. Then you just kick off to get started and accelerate with the throttle. It has a max speed of 20 miles per hour and has 3 levels of speed adjustments. You adjust it with the control panel on the left. The lowest level has a max speed of 9 miles per hour. Press the plus button once to change the icon on the screen to yellow, which gives you a max speed of 16 miles per hour. Press it again to get the icon to red and get to the max speed of 19.8 miles per hour. To slow down and stop, you just need to ease off the throttle and then apply pressure to the handbrake. I know some scooters have that additional foot brake where you can just step on the rear fender to stop. Yeah, this scooter doesn't have that. When you press the brakes, the rear light and the undercarriage lights flash, which is a nice safety feature to let others see you. On the left side of the control panel is the cruise control button. Just press it when you're moving so you don't have to keep holding down on the throttle. And on the right side is the headlight button. Short press it to turn on and off the headlight. Long pressing it will turn on the undercarriage lights. In the middle is the display. It shows your current speed in either miles per hour or kilometers per hour. You can switch between the units by double pressing the power button. The display also lets you know if your lights are on, battery life, speed level, and if you're connected by Bluetooth to your phone. There's an app for the scooter which lets you see how many miles you've put on the scooter, maps your ride, and also lets you control the cruise control, headlight, and speed setting. I don't really use this app since you can control everything on the scooter, but it's nice to have, especially if you want to see how many miles you've ridden. It has a max load capacity of 265 pounds and has adjustable handlebars. So this is great to use for adults as well as for kids. It has 8.5-inch solid tires, so you don't have to worry about filling it with air. On the side here is a magnetic flap that hides the charging port. And finally, you can fold it up for easy transport. Now I did find a problem with this. Since the handlebars are adjustable, it won't latch into place unless you have it at the right height. So I found myself just leaving it at that sweet spot so I don't have to keep adjusting the handlebars. Either way, I like it and it's a lot of fun. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, so let's go ahead and see how this rides. Alright. So, this should go well. Oh my god, my glasses are bouncing all over the place. I thought it was going to be smoother than this. I was hoping it was going to be warmer than this. It's a little bit colder than I'd like it to be. It's a little bit bumpier than I was hoping this would be. It's not bad though, but could use a little bit more suspension on here. It's cold. Oh man, I should have worn a jacket. Oh my god. This is absolutely terrible. I don't like this at all. This is too bumpy. All right, so I hope I can make it up this and try to get up. Oh, there's this little bump here first, if I remember right. Okay, now, can you make it up this incline? Somewhat. Almost there. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, you can't do it. All right, let's try to get some speed for that incline over there. Oh, it's not gonna be able to do this. I can feel it. It's not going to be able to do that. Should be good here though, right? Yeah, we're good here. Let's see how it navigates through here. Oh man, getting tired. My hands are freezing, my face is freezing. Got a headache from all these bumps. I know the max speed of the scooter is like 20 miles per hour. Okay, good job, good job. All right, so for my first electric scooter, this seems like a great option. I can see it eventually upgrading to something with a higher top speed, but this is good enough for now. And the price on it isn't bad either. I think this one goes for about $240, but I did see it on sale for $200 over the holidays. All right, I'm gonna head back inside because it's a little colder out here than I thought it was gonna be, and my face is frozen and I can't feel my hands. I lost the feeling a long time ago. See you.